Hey, Tony and Corey here in the Weekend Warriors Workshop, and we are in the studio with our good friend of the show, Mike Bagley. You may recognize him from a previous video of ours, and today we're going to be talking about TimberStrand.
TimberStrand, also known as LSL. What does LSL stand for?
Laminated strand lumber.
Laminated strand lumber. Very versatile product. It can be used in so many different ways. Today we're going to show you a lot of the ways that it can be used, and some of them just might surprise you.
Stay tuned.
Welcome to the Weekend Warriors Home Improvement Show, built by Parr Lumber. Your Weekend Warriors, Tony and Corey.
Tell us a little bit about why someone would use TimberStrand wall framing.
The nice thing about TimberStrand, it's an engineered product, but it matches dimensional lumber sizes. So your 1.5 by 3.5, 2 by 4, 1.5, 5.5 wall framing. And it comes in long lengths. It's dimensionally sound, available from 8 foot clear up to 48 foot. So tall wall applications, tall staircase, elevator shafts. So there's lots of applications, not just framing a house, but some specialty uses for the wall framing.
Interchangeable is what I heard you say. It's
Yes.
interchangeable. You don't have to change plans or whatever you're working on to use it in place of solid lumber, which, as we know, does all those things. Bow, check, twist, crack,
Bark, wane.
and on top of that, you said it's stronger.
It's stronger. It's straight, it's dry. It's just a perfect piece of wood to frame with.
Tell us about how it's made.
Basically, you can almost think of it as a weed species tree, a poplar or aspen. Goes into a machine called a strander. And those pieces go into a hopper. They're covered in glues, resins. That gives it part of its strength. And then those pieces are situated in a certain way to give it even more strength. Has a very high shear value. It's really close to steel in shear strength.
Even when you're talking about dimensional lumber, we use Douglas fir in our market in the Pacific Northwest. A 2 by 4 can range from 3 1/8 to 3 1/2, 3 5/8 wide.
Right.
When you really have an application where the wall must be straight, laser straight.
For like kitchen cabinets.
Yeah, tile work.
There's no bow to it. It is a laser straight piece of wood, and it's 1.5 by 3.5. You don't need to have to worry about it sticking out a little bit or bowing in that wall. Each piece is the same size.
Can you only use it for wall framing?
So trying to find a really nice piece of 2 by 12 Doug fir for a staircase for your stair risers.
Oh, risers.
Even you're using KD lumber. When you cut into it, you're getting to the center. It may not be quite as dry. It can still shrink a little bit when it's in the framing of the house.
Sure.
Where you can use our wall framing, we have 2 by 12 TimberStrand. And you can cut the stair risers out of TimberStrand. Then you have a nice, perfectly square, squeak-free staircase that's not going to shrink on you.
Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons down below and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos.
And check out the Weekend Warriors Home Improvement Show wherever you listen to your podcasts.
We'll see you next time.